Hello, my name is Justin, and today I will show you how to use Remote Proctor Now to take your proctored final. In order to take a proctored final, you must use the Remote Proctor Now software. This software will record you taking your final. It'll record your camera feed and your desktop feed as you take the test. To begin, you will go to national.remoteproctor.com. Once on this page, you can hit Download Software. If you're using Chrome, you'll see the software download in the lower left-hand corner. Go ahead and click on that to run it. It will then install and open automatically. Once open, you can read the information and then hit Next. Then you will do a microphone check. Just speak into your microphone and then hit Continue. Now you will select your exam information. In the first drop-down box, you will select your course name. And in the second, you will select either the Software Secure Practice Test or your final. You'll want to do the Software Secure Practice Test ahead of finals week to ensure that your system is compatible and that you know the process. But now I'm going to go ahead and select the final. Then you will enter in your information. And then hit Next. You can then read through the information and click Next for each page. It will then take you to the interview process. Here you will use your camera to take a picture of your photo ID. I don't have mine with me, but when you take your test, make sure you have a picture photo ID with you. You will hold it up to the screen and then you'll say Take Photo ID. You can then check the box and confirm. The next thing you will do is a room scan. You'll just take your camera and as best as you can, show your desk area and the room just to show there's nobody else in the room and that your desk area only has the allowed material on it. You'll hit Start Room Scan, move your camera about. After a few moments, you should be able to stop room scan. It will load a preview for you here in the window. You can go ahead and check the box, and when it allows you to, click Confirm. The last thing you do is take a picture of yourself. So simply look into the camera and click Take User Photo. It will give you 3 seconds then, and then take the picture. Again, check the box and click Confirm. Now it's going to take you to the login page for Desire to Learn. Now this may be a different login page than what you're used to. You can go ahead and click OK on this. When you're logging into Desire to Learn using this login page, you will use your full NAU student email address. This is the one that's associated with your student Office 365 account. It's always going to be the same as your username, but then you will add @national.edu to the end of it. Go ahead and click Next. Now you will put in your password. This is the same password you use to log into your student portal. Then go ahead and hit Sign In. It may ask you if you want to keep signed in. Go ahead and hit Yes. And then it should take you to your Desire to Learn homepage. Now, if you've never logged into this website or to the website this way before, it may ask you to add some additional security information. If it does, you can go ahead and click on Next and then hit Cancel to skip that for now. Then it will take you to your D2L homepage. It may come up with this message and say your browser is looking a little retro. You can ignore that. Go ahead and click Got It and continue on. Now you need to get to your course where the exam is. You can click on the Select a Course icon at the top of the page. And for me, I'm going to select the Software Secure Test Bed. But for you, you'll select the name of the course in which your final is. That will take you to the course homepage. From there, click on Assessments and then Quizzes. You will then click on the exam you would like to take. If you are doing the practice, go ahead and click on Software Secure Practice Test if that is the one that you selected previously. But if you selected to take the final, go ahead and click on the final. You will come to the quiz details page. You will typically see a insert password button or field at the bottom. At the very top of Remote Proctor Now, there's the green Insert Exam Password button. Click on that. That will fill in the password for you. And then hit Start Quiz. That should bring you into your proctored final. From there, you just take your final, like any other quiz or test that you've taken. It's best to save answers after each question. Some tests won't give you the option to save after each one, but it should auto-save for you. When you get to the end, you can hit Submit Quiz, after saving all the answers, of course. Now for me, it's asking, do I want to submit anyway, because I didn't go through all the questions. So I'll go ahead and hit Submit Quiz again. It should give you the quiz submission page. You can hit Done. And at this point, you can go ahead and close the Remote Proctor Now software because you have submitted your test. When you hit Close, it'll ask you if you're sure. Go ahead and hit Quit. It will then start to upload the video of you taking your exam. Now, keep in mind at this point, your exam has already been submitted. So if it takes a while to upload that video, that's okay. You still have already submitted your final. And that is how you use Remote Proctor Now to take a proctored final. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.